Welcome back, everybody. I'm Crystal, TheRealNesters, as you'll see at TheRealNesters, and today I'm welcoming you guys back for another unboxing and product review. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, you know we like to bring you the latest cool products or share with you guys our little mini Christmases, as I like to call it, when we order products. And then here on this channel, the Thomas family, we reviewed them for you. And if you'd like to also check out our James and Crystal channel where we do vlogs. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we bringing y'all 2 YouTube channels. But today, I'm going to review this product. And if you like this product, check the link down below. Don't forget to give this video. Welcome back to our channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Crystal TheRealNesters, and behind that camera right there is my wonderful husband, James TheRealNesters. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we are back to do another video for you, an unboxing and setup of a 3D decor. So I gotta tell you guys, I have never done this before. And I think it's simple enough and easy enough. I did buy this off of Amazon, and as y'all see, this is how it came. So we're gonna be flashing in and out because, like I said, we never did this before. So you're gonna see bits and pieces. But look at this little beautiful free piece of wall here. When we finish, it will be decorated. We'll be right back. So this is how it came in this little box here. Decor Smart and something baby acrylic wall decor. I don't know what that word is. Y'all Google it. Y'all Google it. Ooh, fancy. All right. So, and to be honest, I don't know how this works. Ooh, it looks, there's a bottom. I'm super stoked about this. I hope I bought the right size. And here, ladies and gentlemen,
oh, I see what they do. This, these tear out, so you put the pieces right in between this after you put this up on the wall, so it's already straight. These come out, and then you just put the pieces in where this go. So you have to set this up on the wall first.
Okay.
And then you just, each piece you pull this out and then put it in the wall.
You guys, I am super stoked. Here's the little diagram. Show them our little blank wall there, baby. That's our little blank wall. And now we're gonna cut this video until we figure out what we doing. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we had to stop and read some instructions, and thank God this thing actually had some instructions. This is our first time. We've been really building this season. We're gonna be called Thomas the Builders, ladies and gentlemen. Good God. But anyway, the hubby is down there working intently. He's about to put our template up. And after I show y'all the template, I'm going to hit this camera off until we're about halfway through. So ladies and gentlemen, we got our stencil. I think it's what they call it. Is that what they call it?
Template.
Oh, our template set up. They call it stencils too. Google it. Google it. All right.
This is the before.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. This is what it look like. This brown paper bag is all the decoration we gonna have, ladies and gentlemen. The video is over. Oh, just kidding. Keep watching. Oh, wait a minute. I did what y'all see. These scraps. This is what we about to do with these scraps.
Then we're gonna show them. We're gonna show you. This is the before. We're gonna show you with all the pieces on there before we take the brown layers off, and then we're gonna show you the finished product. And those are the 3 stages of it. All right, you guys, we are over halfway finished, and as you can see, we have this, what they call them, stickers, or we have the design inside the template. Yeah. So now the next thing to do is We're gonna take the brown paper off to reveal the actual picture, but it also has a little light film on each one of these, so we gotta take the film off of each one so it'll be nice and shiny. So we're gonna do that. Actually, we can do this part while we got you guys. Go ahead, babe. Take the brown paper off, and then we'll come back after.
I get to do the big reveal already.
Yeah, and then we'll come back after we peel the other face. So she's going to.
1, 2, and that's 3.
Yes, sir. I'll step back so they can see. Thank you very much.
Wait, don't get testy. Don't get testy.
So there you go, you guys. Ooh, and we got one butterfly there, and we need one more butterfly. What other butterfly there?
We'll do that after.
Oh, so when you come up, if you
bet you do it too much.
okay, yeah, we'll be right back. We gotta get the film on. Ooh, on our wall, then it goes right into these ladybug pictures. Ooh. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we have finished our Thomas the Builder project. Yes, sir. Look at that. You guys, y'all see that light dancing off of there? That is a beautiful structure right there. My Bob the Builder husband and myself, yeah, we did that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. So that is a 3D photo kind of art thing. And we had to put it together like a puzzle. And to show you guys what we did, what we had to, as a mock-up, they gave you a black and white color form of it. This is what it really looks like. And of course, as y'all always know, y'all gotta check the link down below. Yes, sir. If you want one, this is how it look from the Amazon picture. So y'all can see we did that. Yeah, we did that, ladies and gentlemen. We did that. And as always, wanna thank you for spending time with us. Click that link down below. Give this video some thumbs up. Share us out. Don't forget to subscribe, because y'all never know what we're gonna do next. If you check out the previous videos, y'all just never know what we're gonna do next. Thank you, and see you on the next video. Peace.